There was another tweet that said, if you pitch Anita Baker down, she sounds like Michael McDonald.
I saw that one.
Hasn't left my head.
Other way around. You pitch it up, and Michael McDonald sounds like Anita Baker.
We're a music pod. Let's do it.
We are not a music pod.
The song was I Keep Forgetting.
You bring me joy when I'm down. So much joy.
All right, so find a Michael McDonald song.
Yeah, now you gotta do it.
You gotta do the other way. What
You
she
gotta do
said.
it the other way.
I keep forgetting when I'm in love with you.
Oh, shit. Let's go, man.
Things will never be the same again.
Yeah.
That's so clear.
So good.
I keep forgetting every time you're near.
Yo, the internet was a mistake.
I'm mad that I ever read that.
That blew my mind.
That's gonna bother me.